How to make Telegram account with Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a Telegram account with Gmail. Well, if you're willing to make a Telegram account with Gmail, you must have already tried so. Now you must be unsuccessful in it, so you're on this video, right? Well, unfortunately the straight direct answer to your question whether you can make a Telegram account with Gmail will be no. Telegram uses phone number to verify a user or an account, so the only way to log in or sign up is using the phone number. Now, there is an alternate way around it, however. If you don't wish to use your phone number in order to sign up, or if you don't have a number or own a number, what you can do is you can use virtual number. Now, in order to use virtual number, what you can do is you can head over to your browser on Chrome or any other browser and search in for virtual number for OTP. So once you do so, you'll get various links here, and most of these are free, where you can go and get a number and then go ahead and enter in the number on Telegram, and it'll ask for code. Go back to the website and get the code, and you will be able to sign up. Once you sign up, what you can do is you can add Gmail into your two-step verification, after which no one else will be able to access to your account. So this way you can make a Telegram account with Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.